Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and welcome to day 5 of the Totally Dazzled DIY Project Week. Yes, we have made it. Today is the final day of our Totally Dazzled Project Week. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos so far. I have really enjoyed putting them all together, and I love how they look in my home. So tomorrow's video will be a culmination of all the videos. They will be compiled in a playlist, and then at the end of the playlist will be my home tour, where I show you how I feature all of the items that we made this week in my home. So without further ado, let's get on to the final day of Totally Dazzled DIY Project Week. Keep watching. Welcome to day 5 and the final day of the Totally Dazzled DIY Project Week. I hope you have enjoyed all of the videos for the week. I truly enjoyed putting them together and using them in my kitchen. Tomorrow's video will be a culmination of all of the videos of the week and a walkthrough of my home to show you how I use those items that we made in my home. Today's video is inspired episode I saw on Ellen, and or actually it was Ellen Home, and she was talking to J-Lo, and J-Lo was wearing this oh so fab white shirt, and guess what? It was blinged out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I totally have to recreate that shirt. I will insert a photo here so you can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, I was like, yeah, we are redoing that shirt, and it is going to be part of the Totally Dazzled Project Week. So we're going to take this shirt that I got from Chico's when I worked there several years ago. I've never worn this shirt. As you can see, it still has the tag on it, and we are going to bling it out like J-Lo's. So hers had a bunch of jewels on it, and we are going to add a bunch of jewels to ours as well. And they were just, they look like they were just randomly placed. And so that is what we're going to do, is just place them all over our shirt. And she had some on her sleeves. Use those. So yeah, I like this look. So since these are brooches, we are just going to pin them on to our shirt. Today's project is a very simple DIY, just like yesterday's project. Projects don't have to be complicated to be beautiful, in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think projects have to be complicated in order to be beautiful? I don't think so, and I think they turn out just as fab. We can get this one the way I want it. I'm going to finish pinning these on to our shirt, and then I will come back and show you our finished look. I showed you in a sneak peek how I bedazzled a pair of my sandals for the summer, and I thought it would be perfect to have a purse to go along with it. So this is a purse that I have picked up from Goodwill. It's totally plain. I don't know how much purses are at Goodwill. I think they're like, I don't know, $1.99 or something like that. And I thought it would be perfect to just bling it out, maybe with a couple of these Totally Dazzled brooches on the side to just give it a little pizzazz. So we could put them here to give it this look, or just a single one here for a more classy look, or just a large one here. And I think we'll just go with this large one because that will mimic the style that we used on our sandals. So like I said, this purse is relatively inexpensive. All right, so we have the back off our brooch. We've made it flat, and we're going to take it and we're going to hot glue it to the center of our purse. And just make sure we get it centered. Wipe off any strings. The only bad thing about using the hot glue is it likes to leave strings everywhere. So here is our bedazzled purse. Looks. We are going to bling out and totally dazzle up one other item, and then that will be the end of the Totally Dazzled project week. So hang on. Guys, so another way you can use Totally Dazzled products is make your own very decorative plugins. So here I have a very simple plugin that I purchased from Bath & Body Works. I think you can get these for like $4 or $5, but the really pretty ones are like $10 and $15, and I really didn't want to spend that kind of money. So I bought one of these, and I took off the top. And you can do this easily if you have a soldering iron. If you don't, you can take a sharp knife or a cutter and be very careful and go around and score this plastic, and then it will just pop right off. But I used a soldering iron and I took that off, and this is how it looks. And then very simple, we're gonna take our Totally Dazzled brooch and stick it on there, and look, it will be oh so glam. So that is what we're going to do. Add a little hot glue, and we're gonna go ahead and stick it on. And here we go. Oh, so pretty. And we made our own decorative plug-in for less than, oh, let's say $7. Because I think these plugins from Bath & Body Works are like $5. I mean, you can even get these from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree sells plugins now, and you can totally dazzle them out. So I absolutely love this, and you will see how I decorate this in my upcoming tour of the compilation of the Totally Dazzled Project Week. So make sure you look out for that on Saturday.